Hi guys, welcome to Wendy Styles. Please check out this beautiful short natural haircut that has minimal daily styling, and it's a haircut that is all visibility with a modern basic cut, shorter on the sides and longer on the top. It will always leave you room for styling experience when the mood hits. One thing about the styles today is that they can do much for your hairstyle. They will really unveil your texture and let your waves and coils form better and shape your features like flawless makeup. So if you're really hesitant to try a short natural style, just have in mind that this haircut is a modern look that will really make you look beautiful and younger, and it's a style that is versatile and a flattering haircut. So if you really want that clean and polished look, please watch this video to the end, because it's a great way to make thinning hair look visually fuller, because you can see how rejuvenating the styles are. I love the style because it's a cut for both younger women and older women, and you can see how the style add movement and follow to your face, and it will help to give you a more affable appearance. And you can see how the haircuts are really incredibly easy to maintain, meaning you can just have that put together look in a matter of minutes. So this haircut packs practicality and good looks into one style. You can see how it creates also that gentle film around your face and can be easily styled with a quick tussle. Perfect for active women on the go. Don't forget to subscribe your first time here in Wendy Styles, and let me know your minds on how you feel about this beautiful short natural haircut. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload.